Do you know many people are having trouble with installing the Britax Safe-n-Sound Graphene car seat in vehicles with shallow back seats? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Identify anchorage point. Identify the upper anchorage point. It needs to be directly behind and in line with car seat placement. Step 2. Remove thread plug. Remove the thread plug for the installation of the attachment bolt. Avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Step 3. Drill anchorage hole. If the car lacks a child restraint point, drill a 9 mm diameter hole in the parcel shelf for the attachment bolt. Step 4. Seek professional installation. Ideally, have a child restraint fitting station or a licensed mechanic carry out the installation for safety. Step 5. Validate anchorage point. Head to the nearest child restraint fitting station or traffic authority for the correct upper anchorage point and bolt length. Step 6. Check installation compliance. Validate your anchorage point installation with traffic authority to meet the compliance and safety standards. Once these steps are followed, your Britax Safe-n-Sound Graphene car seat should be safely and optimally installed for your child's safety. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Britax users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.